Let's start for YouTube. Ad-free YouTube download. How to download ad-free YouTube? Totally ad-free. We're going to any one browsers. I am using for Chrome browsers. You have the right in. Bankit. First of all, press the first link of YouTube Bankit. You're going to this website. This first of all Bankit Manager. First download. Details. My net is too slow. No problem, Williams. This download is complete. This install. Open the interface to going to Bankit Micro. First of this application install. Re-download. Install. Install complete. The second one, the YouTube Bankit. Install. 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 Please do not exit for application process. You're totally done for ad free. You're going to application, this one. Reminder later. Signing anyone videos, not for ad. Anyone videos, not for show ad. Not for ad. Anyone's videos, not for ads. Anyone. Too much ad. This they show you YOLO. Show you the YOLO. The no ad show. Thanks. Subscribe my channel, like, share, support us. All users, all phone using for Android, all versions, Android 8, 9, Android 10, 11, 12, all versions supported. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my channel, share and like.